Tala Falama, welcome back, Samoa. This is your virtual trivia. I am Bond. Hydrogen Bond. yes.
And I am. That's not your name.
Excuse you. Some of us can be who we want to be. It's 2025, man.
I'm not Leisha.
Catch up. Oh. Then who are you? Who are you?
I'm a nerd. I'm a nerd.
Well, you are. You made it.
I am one of the coolest people in the world. I'm a host of Virtual Trivia. Welcome back, everybody, to Virtual Trivia. I hope you guys are excited for another night of your favorite virtual game. It happens on every Tuesday of every week. That goes on every Tuesday
at 8 p.m. Sometimes not sharp.
Exactly.
That is okay, because only the cool show up a little later.
Yes, I'm on time, guys. I'm on time. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, our theme for today, we shall remind you, is science and technology. Do you guys know your science? Do you know your technology?
The real question is, Beto, do you know your bones?
That was bad. Anyways,
that was a really good
my beautiful host here will fill you guys in on how to log in and how to play this awesome game tonight with you, us, and your entire family.
Yes.
Or by yourself. Okay, cool.
Thank you so much.
Cool.
Thank you so much, cool. Because everyone, in order to play, you must either, remember, it's optional that but very crucial, that you can either scan this QR code or go on the website, crowd.live, as you can see down there, and enter the code TV543. Either way, whether you scan the code or scan the QR code or enter that code into the website, it'll lead you to the same place, which is where you find our registration site, where you can enter a nickname or even your given name. That's fine. If you want to flaunt your name out there, be like, that's right. That's a cool name.
Oh, yeah.
And from there, you enter your name, your age. Honestly, there's no rules on that part. But preferably your honest age. You know?
Yeah.
We don't want a baby coming over to take the prize.
Oh, yeah.
2 years old.
And
we know you, winner. That's right. Saw that, 2 years old. Wow.
That's right.
And then aside from that, you also have to enter a valid phone number. That's correct. Because we need an actual phone number in order to call you if y'all don't show up to get your prizes. Because we want you to have it. Because you deserved it.
That's exactly the correct answer we're looking for tonight.
And a note on your nickname, please, appropriate.
Exactly.
Because it's not just you playing.
That's right.
Who else is playing? Nerd girl over there.
Oh yeah, I'm playing with you guys.
Not you. Someone else.
Someone else.
That's right. Your families are watching. Your little kids. Who else?
Your uncle, your mom, your grandma, your grandpa.
And for the prizes we have
first place, 100 tala from User Rentals. Second place, 60 tala from User Rentals. That's 60.
That's amazing.
That's more
that's
than
amazing.
I can get.
That's like a whole 3 weeks of lunch money.
And third place.
Yes, 40 tala. Oh, 40 tala.
40,
Dang.
60, 100.
I cannot fathom.
Amazing.
Exactly, guys. I don't know. You do the math.
Right.
Forget about science and technology. I'm just kidding.
Science.
And
math
while
is a
we
type
wait
of science.
for the game to start,
I
think we need to acknowledge our science teachers, guys.
Yeah.
How can we not? Just so much appreciation from them, from when I was little. What about you guys?
Exactly. Wait, let's just start with that countdown. And guys, do you love your accounting teacher? I mean, I'm sorry, guys.
She's covered.
You can see that I have nothing to do with science. Science and technology.
So sorry, I forgot. No, let's say you were, before you became a commerce student.
Yeah,
you had science.
I never had science. No, I think I slipped in all my science class. But science is so interesting. You just gotta have the passion and the love for it.
Am I allowed to say my teacher's name?
Yes, you can. It's like a shout out.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. I'll shout out to my favorite science and biology teacher in high school, Sister Simone Safa.
And I want to shout out to all my science teachers out there, because you know who you are.
She made me love science, guys.
You all made me love science.
You look like you lost the passion. The lost the passion of
No fashion lost.
of a nerd girl.
No fashion lost.
And ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna start with our practice question. Here it is. What is the chemical symbol for gold, guys?
Is it A, AG, B, AR, C, AU, or D, AGD?
Even I know what this is.
Oh, yeah,
Oh. 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 Does no one get that?
I think it's AG. See,
AG?
A is A, and then G for a gold. Gold.
A gold.
Or
no,
or-
it has. You know, my teacher told me in college.
What?
She said, if you struggle to remember this, just remember Auro in Samoa.
Fasten
AU.
our
And that is the correct answer. AU, guys, because AG is silver, gang. That's right.
AG silver?
Mm-hmm.
And
why?
AR is what?
Argon? Argon, eh? Not arson. Argon.
Fun fact, gold symbol AU comes from the Latin word aurum, which means shining dawn. So basically, every time you wear gold, you're carrying a little sunrise with you.
Oh, that's
that's
so
That's so amazing.
cute.
What? Welcome to Virtual Trivia, everyone. For more fun, share the link to family and friends.
That's right, guys. And people are like, what link? I joined through the TV. Well, I don't know, bro.
It's
With
a
the
vacuum.
different vacuum.
Yeah, it's a space with no matter inside it. So like inside, there's like no air particles, no gas, no.
What in
like-
like what would be an example be?
And the answer is indeed true.
Yeah, vacuums. There's no really specific place in the world where there's a vacuum. It's like a built.
Machine room?
It's like a built room.
It's not in
Fun
space.
fact, that's faster than going around Earth 7 times in just 1 second.
Nah.
Imagine trying to outrun that speed ticket.
You guys think Flash could beat this guy? No.
No.
No. Flash could like run around the earth for what? Whole 7 seconds.
But why are we talking about Flash?
Because this
Flash
is
doesn't exist.
okay, bro. But we're just thinking
Ballerina cappuccino, bro.
not most moves.
Is it A, Jupiter, B, Saturn, C, Mars, or D, Neptune?
We are the planets.
Planets. We are. Noah, I love. What's your favorite planet? You guys. Do you
I
guys
think
have
I
a favorite
chose the
planet?
wrong one.
I low-key love Jupiter because he's such a big boy.
Okay,
Big
guys.
girl.
Let's think logically. Because you know how Saturn has like rings around it?
See?
And so those rings can also play out as the moon because you know the rings are made of like small particles.
Particles,
small, like,
yeah.
But then
weird
Jupiter is
rocks.
bigger.
Jupiter's a big boy.
But like that doesn't mean like Jupiter could have more, you know? Because the correct answer is Saturn. You see that? I was getting
That's
there.
fascinating. Fascinating,
Yeah,
yep.
right.
43% won for. They were tied on that one though.
Fun fact, Saturn actually beats Jupiter with 145 moons confirmed so far. It's like Saturn said, rings are enough, I need a whole
Entourage.
So what does that mean?
Saturn needs it all, you know? Because guys, I read up that Jupiter actually has 93 moons and it's still counting.
93?
93.
Bro, Saturn ain't playing. Saturn
You
is
only
like,
have one.
you may be a big boy, but I got a lot of.
But which planet is the one with 2 moons?
I know.
Mars?
Mars, right?
It's probably Mars.
Well, maybe we
Have
should.
you guys seen that movie Barsoom, John Carter? Oh, that's the name of the movie.
Oh.
I was watching it the other night.
Not Rory Gilmore at first place. This guy is probably not even a science student.
Why is it a guy? Could be a girl.
Well, okay.
Gilmore,
Guy
I know
is a
that
general
movie,
term.
bro. I know that series, bro.
Okay.
That's my series.
That's not a series. It's literally a movie.
It's a series.
It's a-
Don't
Question 4. True or false? Thomas Edison invented the first electric light bulb.
Is it A, false, B, true? But here's a fun question for you, Beta. Is that how you spell Edison?
Edison. Well, it's not me. I didn't name that person. I could have named someone Lonnie with an E, bro, and no one would
That'd be
care.
lame.
No, it would be L-E-N-I.
Lenny.
Lenny. But I pronounce it Lonnie because it's my kid. So,
Guys, we got so many people going for true. How do you feel? Because that guy is probably the Thomas Edison.
okay, be so for real,
No,
bro.
that guy is just a guy.
Yeah, that guy is
Real
doesn't even
chill
know who
guy.
Thomas is. I'm just kidding.
The correct answer is false.
Oh,
Fun fact, coming up next.
On your birthday
What?
trivia.
why?
What?
Okay.
That's right,
Fuck,
guys.
that's a long phone.
That's not a lot.
Fun fact. False. Edison didn't invent the very first bulb, but he made the first practical, long-lasting one. What does that mean? Think of him as the guy who didn't invent pizza, but made it so good everyone wanted a slice. He improved it. Others like Humphrey Davy created earlier versions.
Oh,
Okay,
so
do you guys get
Okay, oh my goodness. Thomas Edison sounds more like ancient than Humphrey Davy. Humphrey Davy sounds so modern, but it's really older.
No, true.
Can you hear that? Humphrey
Yeah.
Davy.
no, that
Thomas
sounds old.
Edison.
Nah, it doesn't.
That sounds like he was like a few years older than
gosh.
Edison. I love Edison.
I love Edison. So like Edison just improved the light bulb, you know?
Yeah.
Can you guys believe how far we've gone with technology?
So that means
Look
Wait,
at that.
but that kind of hurts, you know, for Humphrey Davy.
Not true. Wait.
Like
he
imagine
invented
someone
it.
just ugh,
And like I made it better.
So,
like
I'll
making
take all the
your
credit.
Kamala Einstein, like
and improving it, and then everyone thinks he made it. Like, he
Oh,
made
that's
the
so
first
sad.
one.
Yeah. 'Cause
Yeah.
From the
Wow.
statistics we saw, it, everyone's saying true. That just means y'all don't know your stuff.
Wait, Einstein knew, J. Tad knew, Doherty knew.
No. I bet you they're real people. Pat Yach.
They're all real people.
Oh,
Crazy
I
things,
mean,
guys. The crazy,
Guyana.
the crazy thing would be that they guessed. You know.
Yeah, you know that's the whole point,
Yeah, I
guys.
feel like it was tricky. They knew it was kind of tricky.
Yeah, question 5. Which of these is a type of renewable energy?
Oh, I know this one. I went to a trivia for that. This
Oh, it was
Saturday.
so fun.
Yeah, true. Cause A, coal, B, natural gas, C, oil, or D, solar.
Like, you learn a lot of things about
Solar.
the renewable energies in your country, especially here in Samoa. You
I
believe-
think if we're talking new, we're talking about damn
being able to reuse
natural
it,
gas.
Like,
What? Guys, we're talking about natural gas, biochemical, what's the biofuel? No, okay. Guys, I don't know what I'm fighting for here.
Calm down.
that is one. Biomass.
Biomass, true. Which can also be go for
Guys, I think that's more modern. Guys, this is why I didn't take
At
it.
least you guys know.
like biomass was introduced when I was like still in college, so that was like a few years ago.
Oh, interesting.
What's the cut?
Fun fact, renewable energy comes from sources that never run out. Example, like sunlight, wind, or water. It's basically Earth's way of giving us free refills forever. And biomass is from what?
It's from the ground.
Compost, eh?
That one.
It's never running out, guys.
That's awesome. See, we use the sunlight, which is solar energy, and then wind is what?
But then there's like,
Hydropower?
did you
Oh,
know?
No, that's water.
There's
water.
theory that
Wind energy,
we're gonna
wind
end up
Wind power,
using
wind
all of
energy.
the energy from the sun. Did you know that? So now people are thinking of new ways to find renewable energy. They're thinking about using hydroelectric energy and with something else, wind power.
You know what I find
This nerd
amazing?
is going on. She's an expert.
Guys, I
That's what's
don't take
amazing?
science.
It's how we already have turbines, you know, for the wind.
Oh yeah, here in Samoa.
we're like two
That's
away.
so awesome.
You have 2 guys. Go look it up. It's true.
That is so awesome.
But did you know that China? Question 6. What is the name of the first artificial Earth satellite?
Wait,
we watched this in a movie.
Is it A, Sputnik 1.0, B, Starcross 10.1.0, C, Space Shoot, or D, Sputnik?
Remember the movie we saw?
What movie?
It was a
Uh,
Netflix movie. October Sky, was it?
Nah, bro.
This
Oh,
is where they actually did made the
Sputnik?
first Earth satellite to go into space.
lies. You mean
Who was the
Elliot?
guy who comes in it again?
I don't know.
Jake Gyllenhaal, main character. We literally watched it.
Jake
it was a
Gyllenhaal?
2-hour movie, guys. You
I
guys
think
should
I
watch
wasn't there.
it. Really nice.
Sputnik. Do you even know what the answer was?
Sputnik. Sputnik.
Sputnik.
Sputnik.
Sputnik or
Yeah.
Sputnik?
They said Sputnik in the movie.
Sputnik. Sputnik.
You know, it's
I
actually really
recommend that movie,
cool.
guys. It's such a great movie. Fun fact, the first satellite was Sputnik 1 in 1957, launched by the Soviet Union. It was only the size of a beach ball, but it made the whole world go, whoa, space is serious.
Yeah, guys.
Like, it's there.
Do you see those satellites? Can you believe that people actually meticulously made it go into the sky at the right intervals so that it doesn't hit the
Yeah.
other
They
satellites?
calculated it so well. They're so good at math.
Yeah,
Physics.
they're so smart. What?
Just behind it.
I could never. I'm sorry.
You know that movie, Elliot? The mother worked as a person that made sure that the satellites avoided certain debris.
Wait, don't spoil it. I haven't seen that yet.
It doesn't matter. It's already on. It's already on those illegal websites. Not Rory Gilmore is at first place.
Leading strong.
Get it, buddy.
Yeah,
Get
you're
it.
starting to feel like a Rory Gilmore.
Guys, stop. I think the questions are too hard. Question 7. True or false? DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. Read carefully.
Wait.
Is it A, true, or B, false? What did you go for, Felicia?
Oh my goodness. I just
D.
realized something.
Deoxyribonucleic.
Guys, as you can see, whoever made this question put their read carefully for a reason.
Deoxyribonucleic.
Very smart.
Wow.
Very.
I wonder who it is, you know, because 59% of you think it's true, and the other 41 actually read it carefully.
Deoxy.
The real.
How would you guys pronounce it?
Deoxyribonucleic. That's how
Deoxyribonucleic.
I'd read that one, but like I don't think that's right, right, Nisha?
And the
No,
correct
it's not
answer
right.
is false. Of course, it's not right, Queenie. What's your name again? John?
Fun.
Fun fact,
False.
false. It's deoxyribonucleic acid.
Oh!
Miss that little O, and scientists everywhere will give you the side eye. DNA is picky about its.
That's right, guys.
It's-
In school,
oh, yeah, definitely.
in school,
Yeah.
misplaced one letter and you got it all wrong.
One base pair.
Yeah. Because each letter comes in pairs.
Dang!
Rory Gilmore went down.
That was kind of tough, bro. You guys are...
Dar. D-H-A-R. Dar is in Darman.
No, bro. Stop.
DHR? Oh, true.
No,
Dar,
it's just Dar. Dar is just a normal name. Stop, guys.
You know.
Stop giving it background. Kakashi. Nice.
Kakashi.
Bakugo, Tech, APK, MPK.
Diana. There's so many interesting names.
Lord of the Mysteries, what are you doing here, buddy?
This teaches you guys.
And question 8. Who is considered the father of modern computer science?
Is it A, Alan Turing, B, Bill Gates, C, Steve Jobs, or D, Charles Babbage?
Jeff
Okay,
Bezos.
let's think about this. I'm Bill Gates, Microsoft, right?
Yes.
Steve Jobs, iPhone, Apple.
I think so, Steve Jobs.
No.
Jobs.
It's Jeff Bezos.
No,
Jeff Bezos.
that's Amazon.
Oh, my bad. Okay. And Charles Babbage. Fascinating.
Wait, I feel like it's Charles. That sounds really.
No, bro. Calm down, bro. Calm down, bro. I don't think you know what you're talking about.
It's Alan Turing.
Turing.
Ooh, wait, modern computer science. That's right. You've simplified it. Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry. Fun fact, that title goes to Alan Turing. He not only cracked secret codes in World War II,
Oh.
but also came up with the idea of computers before they even existed. Basically, the ultimate thinking outside the box.
That's right, guys.
Wow.
What does that mean?
You're just gonna bring out all these geniuses out of nowhere, you know, because not everyone knew about them.
Yeah, like Humphrey.
How do you even come up with that? Like, oh my
Dave
goodness,
Humphrey.
I want something
Dave
that
Humphrey Dave.
can.
That can think on its own.
I just type the letters down.
Wait, yeah, how would you build that?
So awesome, bro. Thinking of that, I think of different things. I think of what I'm gonna eat.
Yeah.
Yo, guys, you guys see that new person there? Third place, Vito.
Vito.
So, Vito.
You did a quick research, I see.
Yeah, Einstein.
Or he's actually a
Einstein.
computer science student. You
Oh
know?
yeah, definitely.
Chick-
But you were
chick-
just like you were getting confused, and so you're like
I'm the owner.
Alan Turing.
And Jelly Bean, Mr. Uruguay. I thought, oh my goodness. What device is used to measure electric current?
Is it A, a voltmeter, B, an ammeter,
this
C, thermometer, or D, barometer?
Guys, we're talking about the instrument used to measure electric current. So think about it. You see those beeping things?
amps,
What?
amperes,
Amperes
measured in amperes.
Oh, so that means it's the ammeter,
So it's either
right?
A or B.
or
The
thermometer?
C is for temperature.
What's
and
B?
D is for something.
Barometer.
You know it's amps, so it has to be the ammeter.
The amplitude.
Should be A.
Yeah, it should be the ammeter.
Yeah.
The ammeter.
Oh no.
I totally
Everyone's going
agree.
for voltage.
I got
Voltage
that
is not
wrong.
equal to voltage, guys.
Voltmeter. Because
Current is completely different from voltage.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, guys. Y'all need to read your questions properly. But that's okay, because we all make mistakes.
and you know, now you learn.
Now you know.
Yeah, guys.
Fun fact, an amateur measures electric currents. It's like a tiny detective that checks how many electrons are partying through a wire.
So
Electrons are like negatively charged particles.
That is
guys,
correct. That is
used
correct.
in electricity.
That is correct.
Yeah.
That is
So-
correct.
I think that's the one thing I remember in science. And patrons part. Pathogens! Pathogens! I meant
protons.
no, it's pathogens.
You know what pathogens are?
Yeah, that's what I was talking about. Pathogens. Bacteria. Come on, guys, I'm not dead though.
Like bacteria in your electricity. You want to get rid of that, right? No.
What?
The what?
Fixin'
Can't
Fiat.
help this girl.
And Megamind.
pages of
Megamind. You got a Megamind, but why you down there? I'm just
No,
kidding.
Megamind is gonna be at the top, guys.
Jelly
I know
bean.
for sure.
Whatever.
Question 10. True or false? Black holes were first theorized by Albert Einstein.
Is it A, true, or B, false?
I don't think so. I think it's another man.
If the person called Einstein does not get this correct, I'm going to.
No,
Because-
I remember.
yeah.
I remember seeing something like this about the black hole and someone else like discovering it. Or am
That
I
makes
wrong?
sense. Like they theorized it first, you know, and then
Like,
Yeah.
then
Like-
someone probably proved it, you know?
Or is it true? Maybe it is true.
Maybe.
It was just his theory, right?
yeah, like who started the theory, you know? But was it Albert
Was it
Einstein?
you, Albert?
Black holes were first theorized. Okay,
Oh,
Albert.
well, like guys, okay, let's
We're gonna talk,
let's
bro.
think about it. So like Albert Einstein came up with this.
It is false. Your argument is invalid now.
Whatever you were gonna say, don't say it.
Yeah,
I was
because-
saying he brought up like the theory of
Yes,
relativity.
it wasn't
but-
him. It wasn't him, guys.
So that's yeah. Okay, but like, what does the fact have to say?
Fun fact, false. Black holes were first theorized from Einstein's equations.
Oh my goodness.
What?
Oh my
But
goodness.
the idea of an object so dense that not even light could escape actually goes back to John
Mitchell.
Mitchell
Mitchell.
in 1783. Basically, people were imagining cosmic no escape rooms way before Einstein. Concept came from John Mitchell, but Einstein's relativity helped explain them.
Okay,
Oh.
so like theorized is like the idea. So the idea goes way back, but then
Yeah. John
Einstein
proved.
helped explain
Those
it.
equations, eh?
Those were first theorized from Einstein's equations. What? Okay, so someone else was also thinking about it, but then but Einstein's equation made it more like, yo, this is possible. You feel me,
That's
guys?
right.
Guys,
This is
no,
possible.
Like it was already there, but Einstein
Proved it.
explained it to people who couldn't understand.
Nah.
equations.
If you look at his equations, nah, I wouldn't understand.
You haven't tried, Betsy. You haven't tried.
Okay, question 11. Which gas do plants absorb for photosynthesis?
Ooh, is it A, oxygen, B, nitrogen,
Come on, guys.
C, carbon dioxide, or D, hydrogen?
Now
guys?
use their what's that word again? Okay, O2. No, H2O.
Simplify, or let's take out
Table.
the other answers. So oxygen, that's what we breathe,
Nitrogen.
So-
That's what we also breathe.
but tiny bits.
Teeny bits.
Of it.
Carbon dioxide. That's what we don't
Only in
breathe.
the water.
And hydrogen peroxide helps whiten your teeth.
Bro, it's just hydrogen.
No, hydrogen peroxide
No,
helps
no.
whiten your teeth.
No.
I saw this in the dentist video on YouTube, guys.
Hydrogen
I'm being
peroxide helps clean your wounds.
I will be poto. Oh,
Because Felicia.
I saw this in one of those dentist videos, guys. I'm
At
not
least
lying.
everyone knows it's not hydrogen.
It is carbon dioxide.
I'm surprised about the oxygen people, but it's okay.
No, they probably
It's
read
okay.
it wrong.
We're
you
like
know?
plants too, you know? I don't know. Fun fact, plants gulp down carbon dioxide, CO2, like it's their favorite smoothie, then use sunlight to turn it into food. Basically, they're tiny green chefs making sugar from air. Remember our voting round for next week's theme and our posting photo competition afterwards, guys.
Yeah.
That's right. Very,
We love to see how your tree breathes
That's
photosynthesis.
so amazing.
Send us a
How
picture of
easy
your favorite
CO2.
tree. I know
So
y'all have a
amazing.
favorite tree.
Yeah, but they're signed. So O2 is water, H2O is oxygen.
Plants are basically like
What?
us humans. They make their own food, you know? They cook.
We're gonna have to watch this live again because I'm gonna have to explain to Becca what H2O really is.
So O2 is oxygen.
Yes.
Wait a minute. Ace, you're at top place right now because you know your O2 and H2O. What's carbon dioxide? CO2.
That is.
Ah, guys, stop.
She's got.
I know the next one,
something.
nitrogen. It is. I give up. Question 12. What is the main language used to program Android apps?
Awesome.
Is it A, C++, B, Java, C, Python, or D, HTML?
Okay, C++
We
is
did
what?
Java in school.
We did.
Jam?
Java.
Java.
And it was pretty
You're gonna
like,
do it too.
simple.
No, I know we are. Python. I haven't seen that. HTML. Hypertext. Multimedia language.
I doubt it.
Yes, it
Doubt
is.
it.
Hypertext. Okay, actually, I don't think hyper is the right word. It's something H text multimedia language.
Hacking. Oh, and the correct answer is Java.
Amazing.
Java.
Is that an AI made GIF?
No, some people are
I
artistic.
don't know.
Oh my gosh. Java.
But you say it's a P there, it's probably Python, eh?
Code mode. See the hints from the GIF. Code.
Oh my
Mode.
goodness.
Fun facts: the main language is Java, and now also Kotlin. So basically, every time you tap an app, a little Java code is quietly working behind the scenes. No coffee needed, though. What does that
That's
mean?
amazing. That means it doesn't need like to rejuvenate.
Rejuvenate. What does that mean? Like, it takes time?
Like we don't have to give
Java
it
involves coding, guys.
Guys, who had that brain to...
Guys, look who's back at top.
Oh.
Not Rory.
Welcome back, my
Gilmore.
We
goodness.
got Ace and we got J-Tab.
Guys, guess who's at top?
Just-
Not Rory Gilmore.
It's...
A.
No, that was...
Not.
Ancient
Not.
Bubbles. I see you guys. I see you, my girl.
I'm Ancient Bubbles.
Sakamoto Pararina Henry. Risi.
Wow.
Question 13. True or false? The International Space Station ISS orbits Earth roughly every 90 minutes.
Is it A, true, or B, false?
So what
90
is
minutes.
the ISS?
It is the International Space Station.
Ah, you got me there, man. Yes. But who owns it?
NASA.
Guys,
Right?
international.
And- but then I heard that China already has one of their ISS.
I heard they're
and,
building one.
and Russia is planning on making one of their own. So that's the biggest country and one of the countries with the most population.
That's quite odd. Shouldn't they already have one?
And the great answer is true.
But why would you want that?
That is so fast.
Guys,
We
I'm
need satellites
for
for the
what?
internet.
Oh,
Yeah, for people to connect.
Or
I
you
heard-
don't want the internet.
Okay, guys, listen, ladies.
Fun fact, true, the ISS zooms around Earth so fast that astronauts see 60 sunrises and sunsets every single day.
So guys,
Talk
let's
about
do
a
the
bright
math.
schedule.
Let's do the math.
That's gonna be so dizzying. Like, imagine if something breaks outside and the astronaut. I'm sorry, buddy. You gotta get one. You gotta fix that, bro. Goodbye. Say goodbye to my family.
Bye. You're done.
Because that's going around the Earth at 1 hour and 30 seconds.
That's like
30
cameras,
minutes.
right? Cameras in space. That's so awesome. Like they're seeing what's going on, you know?
Oh, true. Oh,
Wait,
See,
did
they're-
they redo that?
can they really look? Because they're moving so fast. Can they really see us?
Not us.
Wait.
Sunrise and sunset, bro.
Anyway.
Oh, okay, I see.
Ooh, not Rory Gilmore still at first.
And question 14. Name the scientist who proposed the 3 laws of motion.
Is it A, Isaac
Oh
Newton, B,
my-
Galileo Galilei, C, Albert Einstein, or D, Nikola Tesla?
I just realized that I didn't read the question properly.
Oh my god. What did you think
Oh
the
no, I
question said?
didn't read the names properly. I was Sufia Popo.
So what did you think it said?
No, I just
What
didn't read
did
the
you
names
think?
properly.
What did you think it said?
I saw the N in Nikola Tesla. And it was Isaac Newton. I switched the Newton into Nikola.
Oh, you thought N meant for Newton, but it was Nikola Tesla. Isn't he the man that made Tesla?
Guys, learn from Felicia.
Let's say our 3 laws of motion, guys.
Comes around, goes around.
Assets,
Motion.
liabilities.
Nope. Science. What? Something cannot be moved until somebody acts upon it?
I think that's the second one. Oh, you know, you're right. Second one is the...
Something cannot be moved unless something... Like, if there's
An
no
action
force, if there's...
will cause a reaction. Okay.
Yeah, Fitz is right. That's the second one.
No.
With every force...
And a
every
fact.
has a reaction. Fitz is right. Fun fact, Newton's laws explain everything from rockets to rolling apples. Basically, the universe runs on
His rule.
its rule book.
What?
We're not gonna label.
Okay, bro. Chill, bro. Rulebook. So, rockets.
Apples. It's all the same thing.
I'm confused.
The forces apply to
Okay,
the
so this
forces.
is a rocket, and the action that happens is that the fire combusts, and that causes a reaction of the fire, the rocket going up.
Amazing.
Yeah, that's right, guys. This is accounting student explaining science.
Remember that apple that fell on his
Pink.
head?
I'm surprised it didn't die.
If it was a coconut, then
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Honor.
TV5 Samoa. We
know
could have had a Nikola Tesla. Oh,
do you
I
guys know
mean,
that coconuts kill more people in a year
than sharks
than-
do.
Yeah.
I heard about
crazy.
that. Question 15. True or false? Lithium-ion batteries are commonly used in smartphones and laptops.
Is A true or B false?
Lithium is also a name of a drug.
Interesting. That was like a bomb. He just jumped on it. What kind? Can I ask what that is?
But let's not. Let's
It
not.
seemed like a
Lithium is
Is
also
that
an
too
element.
stabilizer, something, acid metabolized. I forgot.
Okay, but like this is for the computing students or like people that think.
This is for science.
I mean, no,
Oh, it's not.
the people that want to make phones. You know.
What is it?
Fluent
Lithium
kids.
iron.
Let's
battery.
revolutionize phones, cause we're gonna have screen phones now, just
I
like
What
heard.
did we do?
a sheet of
What do
glass.
you mean? Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't like that.
I heard they're changing the material for the battery.
And
Or
it is
they're
true.
Trying. They're
Yeah.
trying.
So something more dangerous and more radiating.
Probably not. Probably
That just leaving it next to your head and it explodes and you pass away.
Fun fact, true, lithium-ion batteries power most of our gadgets because they store a lot of energy without exploding. Well, most of the time.
Wow.
Yeah, it's actually very dangerous.
That's
I heard.
why you should never sleep with your phone next to you.
Yes,
You know,
and don't leave your phone next close to your body, like areas of your body.
I learned a lot of science things
Very-
on this anime called Dr. Stone. That guy, he'll explain it like so detailed, but I don't know if it's accurate because I'm not a
What I
scientist.
explained.
But it was really cool how he explained it. He made everything from scratch because it was in the Stone Ages, but he had the mind of a
Modern person.
modern person. He was a
Modern
smart kid.
No, let's not compare modern people and ancient people. They're all smart.
Ace is leading closely behind Rory. What will happen?
And who is Naruto? Sakama.
Asti
Naruto Shippuden.
came out of nowhere.
Yeah, bro. He's like, surprise! Boom! Watashi wa.
He needs
Question 16. Which planet is known as the red planet? Wait, why do I feel like I haven't seen you yet?
Is it A, Jupiter, B, Mercury, C, Mars, D, Venus? Guys, back to my very important question. Do you have a favorite planet?
Oh, I love this
I already
question.
said it.
Oh, I love
What's
this
yours?
question.
sun. The sun.
The sun's not a planet, it's a star.
Star, bro.
Okay.
Saturn.
I'm going to love
For me,
Neptune
it's Venus.
because no one loves that poor little
Yes.
boy.
Venus because it's the morning star.
That's why. That is exactly why. Guys,
And I love Saturn because it's just unique and pretty and has rings.
Heads
So
wonder.
it's all the other planets.
And-
You guys are single.
Whoa.
Take it.
Oh, chill, bro. Is known as the red planet,
Let's
which is
see.
Mars.
What color is Mars?
red.
Red.
Look at the picture, guys.
Why is
You see
Jupiter
it?
pink?
The one
No,
red.
Jupiter is orange.
Why is it pink then?
Just to
Fun
set it
fact.
aside.
What?
Different.
Pink. That's Mars. Its red color comes from rusty iron in the soil. Basically, the planet has been rocking a permanent rusty look for millions of years. That's kind of sad.
So does that mean we can make metal from it?
That's actually a really good question.
Because like
Oh, we're
it's
trying to get there, right?
yeah. So
Yeah,
when we
trying
get
to-
there and we're like we don't have to transport
Oh,
metal.
no,
we
I'm
can
not
just
going
make
to
it
Mars,
there.
though. I'll happily die on Earth. Thank you very much.
Okay, we'll leave you here, Nisha.
Leave me here.
Oh,
On my birth planet.
okay. Bro.
Okay. Slay, love the patriotic news. Yes.
But who is? I feel like she's Cupcake Nana, cause she's
True, who are you?
not Rory Gilmore. That's for sure. You get it?
Yeah.
No, you'll never know my nickname.
Yeah,
You'll
because she's
never
probably
guess it.
down there.
She's
You'll never
Megamind.
guess my nickname.
You're a Megamind, aren't
Because
you?
she got a
Because I
big
that
brain.
brain.
Oh.
Doesn't mean
Question 17. What technology allows multiple devices to connect wirelessly over short distances, often used in headphones and keyboards?
Is
This is
A,
very-
Wi-Fi, B, Bluetooth, C, NFC, or D, Ethernet? Lisha, why you gotta blow my cousin, man?
I'm so sorry.
Oh, my name. What did she say?
I don't know. I forgot. I was looking
This
up.
is so obvious.
Guys.
We all do it. Teenagers, come on.
Headphones.
So it's
guys.
Bluetooth or Ethernet?
The fellow
Not
younger
affiliate.
generations, because we are old. What do you use? I see you guys use it a lot.
Indeed.
I see you guys ignoring us by
Yes,
wearing these
ignoring us every
headphones
day.
and just like
Headphones, specifically headphones.
On
Often
the
used to-
streets, on the roads, you're on it. Like, it's in your ear.
and the correct answer was indeed Bluetooth. Yeah.
But on a serious note, please do not walk when you're walking on the side of the road and next to the road. Please do not wear those. It's very dangerous.
Why?
It's so true because you never know. You can't hear what's going
Yeah.
on.
Why don't you just have one thing on one ear?
No, just don't. You have
That'll
to be
just
aware of
ruin-
your surroundings, especially for girls. Aware of your surroundings.
Yeah, and if you have a one ear, that could ruin your hearing.
Yes,
Really?
they're like little tiny microwaves. Okay, fun fact: Bluetooth was named after a Viking king, King Harald. Harold. Bluetooth Gormson of Denmark. So when your headphones sync, you're basically channeling ancient Norse power.
And they're burning your
The
ears.
idea was that just as Harold united tribes, Bluetooth would unite different devices and allow them to talk to each other wirelessly.
Well, they really thought about it when they thought. You know, some people were like, okay, I'm gonna name this.
No, their favorite king in the
But why blue?
Norse.
Bluetooth.
Because that was his name. Oh my goodness! Is it?
They
wow.
couldn't call it Harold.
That's his name. That's
They
his
couldn't call it. That's his middle name.
But this is
Is his middle name?
Bluetooth.
Maybe he had like a Bluetooth. I don't know.
Yeah, he's like,
Maybe that's all connected him to everything.
yeah, he's a king, and he's like, you've got a Bluetooth. You shall be Harold. And if you have the second name,
Because of our Bluetooth. It was a genetic
Bluetooth,
variation.
that showed that he was king. That's so interesting. That's so thoughtful of the person that made Bluetooth.
Yeah.
Like-
you should research about this.
Like,
though.
guys, I
This
can't-
misinformation.
I can't even think if it was named something
Water
else.
boils at a low temperature.
Question 18: True or false? Water boils at a lower temperature at higher altitudes.
Ooh, interesting. Is it A, B? What? Is it A, true, B, false?
Is it A, B, or B, A, ladies
People,
and gentlemen?
Let's think about this. Let's think about it. Water, when it boils at a lower temperature.
Okay, so what's the
higher altitudes? Wait,
The higher
Altitudes?
altitude.
the lower
Does it
the
boil?
temperature. It needs.
What?
Oh my
The
gosh.
higher it is. in
Okay, what's
altitude,
freezing point? What's freezing point?
0.
0 degrees.
0
What's
degrees.
burning point? What's
100.
boiling? 100. So, guys, that's it. From that
No.
information, it is indeed true.
Okay, so technically it's saying the higher it is, like where the water is boiling, like we're talking like level.
Oil level.
Like level over
Oh,
here.
yeah.
Like if it was boiling on the roof, it'd boil faster there than it would on this table. You know?
Okay, yeah.
Fun fact, true, at higher altitudes, the air pressure is lower, so water boils at a cooler temperature, meaning your mountain top pasta might take longer to cook.
Oh my gosh.
So we're gonna cook. down
Your
here.
mountaintop pasta.
Is that right? Or something lower.
At higher altitudes, the air pressure is lower. Gang, ow! What?
Who is this J Tap?
I think that's you.
Peace over Guys, this J-Tap came out of nowhere.
I knew
It's not J-Tap, that's
Don't
for
even
sure.
That's
say
for
it.
sure. I know who the nerd girl is. I know who she is, guys.
But aside from that, we have to
Dorothy
think a
and
lot
Izzy.
about that last question, you know? There's a lot going on.
Question 19. This is the second to the last question. Which of these is not a primary color of light?
Is it A, red, B, green, C, yellow, D, blue? Do you guys know why there's the things such as the red moon?
There's a red moon. I think, yeah. It's when...
Yes.
I know, the sun
Let's
and
go
the
through
moon.
something that involves light. Like the
Yes,
color.
it does. It's been like, sorry.
Like what? Like what?
It's when like the
Harry Potter.
The Earth is at a point where it's blocking light from the sun to the moon.
Yes!
But then small lights of the sun still passes through the atmosphere. But you know how each ray of color has a speed? Red is the fastest. Thus, red is the one that makes it all the way through. And yellow is the wrong answer. It's the correct answer because it's not a primary color of light.
That's fascinating. So colors have a fast lift.
Right? They
A
have
fast
like a
speed?
speed. Fun fact: the primary colors of light are red, green, and blue. Anything else is like trying to mix unicorns. Pretty, but not primary. That's so
Guys,
awesome.
you can thank my physics teacher for that. My physics teacher from NUS. Yeah.
Perchance your eyes dilate when you look at the red, green, and blue. Red. That's so cool. So
The brighter the colors,
we've
the
all
bigger the dilation.
been coloring the sun incorrectly. We should have colored the sun with red, blue, and green. We've been coloring with red, orange, and yellow. You
No,
Guys,
no,
there's
no,
more
I don't think
colors,
so.
But primary colors, these are like root colors.
Oh yes.
like the
It's like-
main colors.
Yeah, because like if you mix
Okay,
realistically,
if I'm gonna be so honest, I didn't learn my primary colors in
I was like, this color, that's primary, bro.
I learned it from
Disappointing.
other people, not in school. I never learned it in school.
I'm so disappointed. I'm so disappointed.
What, disappointing me?
Yeah.
The student?
Yeah.
My teachers didn't teach me. What do you mean?
Question 20. This is our last question, guys. If you could travel at the speed of light, how long would it take to reach the nearest star to Earth, other than the sun? Proxima Centauri, which is about 4.24 light years away.
I'm gonna name my child Sensima. Wait, what?
Centauri?
Proxima
Centauri.
Proxima Centauri. Come here.
Oh, no.
A, 4.24 seconds. B, 4.24 years. C, 42.4 years. Or 424 years.
Guys,
What do
let
you
that
think?
sink in.
Okay, let's reflect on the question. If you could travel at the speed of light, how long would it take you to reach the nearest star to Earth? Proxima Centauri, which is about 4.2 light years away.
Guys, the answer is there.
There, the question, 4.24 years.
That looks like such a hard math physics equation, bro.
It was there to confuse you. Remember, guys? Just
I
let it
have
sink in.
been, in the words of Beta, confuzzled.
Oh.
Fun fact. Sorry. Even at light speed, it would take over 4 years to get there. So Proxima Centauri is basically the ultimate long weekend destination.
It's faster than
Yeah.
time. You guys know what I mean?
Faster in time?
So that's
Wait, what?
really far. Guys,
Faster
wait.
than time?
I'm thinking. I'm not thinking like I should. Guys, we're gonna have our leaderboard come up next. We're gonna have our top 3.
Yes.
I'm excited to see these. Oh my goodness.
And there it is. Our top 3 all got it wrong, but still stayed in top 3.
Oh yeah, wait.
Goes
Let's
to show you're not
let's-
good at math.
No, you're not gonna read questions. That's the problem. But that's okay, guys, because we all make mistakes.
Yeah, not Henry. I mean Sakamoto. This person knows
What
you
they
know,
were doing.
Question
Question one. What is the
We're gonna-
symbol for gold?
Remind you guys. Think fast.
What is the answer again? Maybe you might get extra points. Can you?
No, it's a practice question. Practice question don't give you no points.
Oh my plugs. And our winners are, ladies and gentlemen, 3rd place coming with Ace!
Even though we already knew it.
Did you say Sakamoto?
Ace.
Ace.
And Naruto-san! Bro, that dude came out right now.
you
And
can't
our
remember.
first place with
Not Rory Gilmore. Guys, let me tell you who's not first place. Not Rory Gilmore.
Stop, that was so bad. You know who's not first place? The person who called himself Albert Einstein. Go back to the past and...
Princess Sophie. What a pretty name.
Princess Sophie. I feel like I know you. Do I know
Sophie.
you?
Guys, please remember to stick around for this round and our next round. This one determines what our next theme will
Oh,
be.
yes.
What should be our next theme?
A. Science and Technology 2.0.
So
B.
late
Pacific Islands. C. Classical's finest. D. Histories, mysteries. Or E. Other.
History's mysteries would be so boring.
Yeah. Pacific Islands, guys.
Please.
Histories, mysteries.
We've already had music. Stop classical's
Classical's
finest.
finest.
If I see someone who
classicals.
voted for science and technology, what bam!
If you like classicals, name your favorite classical, please. And post
I
it.
think a lot of mine are from Isaac. I mean, what's
Pacific Islands.
Oh!
Yes.
See, even they are tired of music. Classical's finest go 0.
Y'all have no touch for the fine arts.
For the fine arts of musicals.
Cause we're so excited for this.
Uh-huh.
That's all, guys. Anyways, thank you so much, guys. Remember to post on our next round and tell us which is your favorite Pacific Islands. You cannot be patriotic.
No.
Yes.
That's for the next game.
Yeah, but posting round, let me know.
For posting round, we should
talk about your science, technology.
Yes, acknowledge
Who's
your
your
science teacher.
Yeah, who's your science teacher?
Whoever can name all 3 laws of motion, Newton's laws of motion,
Oh yes.
I will give you
No,
5 tala.
I'll give you. Shut up! No,
Per
you're
law.
not.
5 tala per
You're gonna
law.
get a hug and a prayer, okay, my friend?
Exactly.
You're
My
gonna
hugs and
get
prayers are worth 5 tala.
love and adoration from our team. From
You know what you're gonna get? We're gonna sing you a song, a short song.
Today is your
Look, do
birthday.
you guys know that pie song?
What pie song?
3.1 for 1.
Oh my
Hey,
goodness.
one for 5,
Stop.
do that.
Wrong song.
That's why I didn't pass my dude. Okay.
Tough luck.
No, I did pass.
Okay, but in all honesty, there was one time when I did.
I do remember you, my Papa fan.
Oh, I thought that was
Remember
more of
me?
like
Oh, we
a
remember
sad
you.
thing, like remember me.
Oh, big fan. What was that? Pokemon? No.
Oh
Sorry.
no!
Pokemon.
Thank you very much. God bless you all. Oh, God bless you too, Vito, bro.
Vito. It's really good to see you here, man.
Maloa Vito, Malo, Mpep fan.
Thank you guys and hi again.
Kakashi.
Nice. Is that? Oh no, sorry. That's not who I thought. It
Guys,
was.
it's the Papi fan and Owen, the 2
Oh,
best
I
friends.
remember. Oh, Ren. Oh, and his photos.
Remember me?
And that one, of
Yeah.
course.
Yeah, very iconic.
I totally.
But let's keep it down a notch. Put that photo away, my brother.
Maybe that's his Insta profile.
Why
No,
would we
maybe it's
check?
just a random photo that he really likes.
K-drama
K-drama
theme.
theme.
That's not so bad.
Well, because you've asked, we'll put it up, but we need a specific K-drama. We can't do all of them.
Thanks for the game.
But I didn't win. At least I tried my best.
Exactly, Sakamoto.
Period.
Either dead or 70 years.
I'm sorry, Albert.
You're right.
I'm pretty sure Albert Stein died
sorry,
a long time ago, not 70 years.
Good game tonight, aunties.
Oh!
we
That's
love
gang
you.
gang and Joe, my nephew, my niece.
Science and technology is not my
Love you, the
thing.
children.
Period! You and me, we're sinking in the same boat, bro.
Great night.
Thanks, girls.
What is
Great
that?
night of trivia. Learned a lot. Oh,
Who's
I
that?
learned a lot too.
Wait,
Why am I
what's
saying
that?
numbers? No! That's not what I want.
Negative
13
13 point.
Hey, isn't it 1-4? 13 point. 13 point.
Negative
Wait, is this a code?
13.83349.
Code for something?
I think this is directions.
This should be your number.
Better luck next time. I love that character.
Oh,
But
OPM.
likewise, Sakamoto.
Biz-
Business proposal since it's
Oh.
popular. Oh! You're right. I never really finished it though.
Chicha.
I
'Cause
haven't
I'm kinda
watched
weird.
it. Sorry.
I don't know.
We'll put it up in the next one. Business proposal. And
I
then
don't have
bracket.
time for K-dramas right now.
Yeah, I think K-drama should be like, I don't know, guys.
It's almost
Or
exam. Wait, is it? It's almost White Sunday too, guys. Think about
Yeah,
that.
we should do a White Sunday theme, eh?
Like what?
Like
Bible?
what?
Yeah, like
Like
why
what?
why do we have White Sunday?
Oh, true.
Why is your child important? Which
What?
one should I?
Okay.
Which one should I evolve?
What is this? Is this not
I'm
a
not
child?
sure what you mean. Fiat Fiat.
Hi.
Oh, Owen, you have such pretty eyes.
Hi.
Remember, this is the internet.
Be careful.
Hey, remember, we asked for the 3 laws of motion. Do you guys want a song or not?
Oh, that was the answer. Negative 36. That is probably
No,
like
that's
a code.
not.
That is
No, no.
not. That is not.
You don't know.
Or maybe that's in
Oh,
codes,
my
eh?
Gang gang. Aww. No baby guys.
Gang, gang.
Hi, oh, thanks for tonight.
Oh, okay, guys.
cute.
Tell me these kids beat. Oh, just kidding. No, these kids
Oh,
actually
true.
beat a lot of things. I actually feel very bad.
Tough luck, bigger. That's why she doesn't play anymore.
You want to? Oh, is there gonna be Pennywise?
Ah, so
Woo!
typical.
That's horrifying.
Yeah, it's not, bro.
Okay, Pennywise, give us the laws of motion.
Tell us how you can float because of science.
We've been living a lie.
Ooh, do elaborate more.
Hey,
Albert
Albert.
Einstein.
You're kind of
Emo
Go on.
sounding
dance.
smart here. I like it. Emo dance.
Oh,
Yeah.
I think that was
That's
like
right.
what?
Get that emo dance.
I'm pretty sure they can't see you emoting.
I
though.
know they got.
Oh,
You're the
that's
best.
Oh, my
That's my
heart.
favorite. That's my favorite child. in the
My
world.
heart.
You're the best.
My heart.
You're
You're
the
the
best.
best. You're the best. Look at her. She was thinking
Absolutely
really
amazing.
hard.
She was doing this.
She was thinking really hard.
She's like, what was the 3 laws of motion again?
Nah, she knew, but she didn't want to tell us.
So smart.
Thank you so much. God
Thank
bless
you
you guys.
so much.
God bless
Oh,
you too,
look,
Pinky.
Wise. I'm sorry, I can't see your name because the QR code's blocking it.
Yeah.
But thank you.
Nothing to say. Nice. We got nothing to say. Say nothing at all.
Oh.
That's right.
Oh.
So instead you send up an emoji. Just told
Okay.
her.
Oh, please just tell us the 3 laws of motion.
Well, anyways, I hope you guys had a wonderful time with us today.
Wait,
because
there's
we
two
most certainly
more.
had lots of fun with you guys tonight. I hope this trivia game was useful
As
learned a lot.
educational.
and educational to you guys, because it was educational to me. Incredible Steve. Albert Einstein, you shouldn't be saying that. You should be talking about, let's teach the children math, okay? Juana, can you see my post? Oh.
Juana, can you see her post? Him, he's.
His
Hey, who's Moana? Who's Moana?
Moana.
Make way.
Thanks to tonight, I realized that biology is not a popular science. You! Who created this game?
This
This
is more
poor-
general, like, science. If you guys want biology next time,
Let us know. We'll put it up.
okay, see you next week. By the way, Becca, love your style. Aw.
Princess Sophie.
Okay, Sophie. Sophie, you and me, we got beef to
Which
cook.
one should I involve?
Let's go cook some barbecue, bro, on the weekends.
Good night to you too.
Meta?
There's a lot of people on here. I love it.
Oh, that's so cute. Good night, ladies. That's from Maya. That's adorable.
Is that Maya or Mata?
You, oh my goodness.
So,
Cleaning, UV sterilization, smart water bottles. I think they're just saying a lot of hard words that want to go.
Is that President Fabio? Sorry.
UV stands for ultraviolet.
So,
Okay, yeah, that's enough. God bless you guys. I hope to see you guys again next week for our theme, Pacific Islands. That's right, guys.
Samoa.
Okay. Okay, Felicia. Okay.
Yeah, but we're all
Chill, man.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
No.
So, guys, hopefully you had a wonderful. What is this background? I just noticed that. Thank you for this
That is-
wonderful night tonight because I had fun. I don't know about these two. I had tons of fun. I learned a lot of things as a commerce student because I never learned anything in science. I love you, my science teacher, Miss Taloa. God bless. Yes, but I'm still gonna keep doing accounting, commerce. Yeah, I'm not gonna
I think
change
she's more of an
sides.
accounting in economics, but that's fine too. I was gonna say something, I completely forgot what it was. Sorry, guys. But yeah, thank you everyone so much for joining us tonight. Felicia, any few words you'd like to say?
Oh,
We couldn't sing you guys a song because you didn't give us a lot of money.
yeah.
No song for you guys.
Pacific Island song next week. We're gonna name every single Pacific Island there is. We meaning Felicia
that's
alone.
your challenge.
Felicia alone.
That's your challenge.
Samoa, Papakini, and next week we'll see you guys because that's a song for another time. God bless. Have a wonderful night.
Yes, and thank
A
you to
wonderful
our
week.
sponsors,
Oh
Uso
yeah.
Rentals, and Ministry of Health.
Yeah.
Yes.
Stay hydrated. Stay healthy. Remember, your health matters as much as your money.
And be careful on the roads, everyone. I've been seeing a lot of accidents lately, and it's terrifying.
And a lot of ambulance. You're
Remember not to
taking-
wear earphones when walking on the side of the road. guys.
That's true.
And don't sleep with your phone next to your head. 'cause
Yeah, that's true.
Absolutely.
Especially the kids nowadays. Owen, put it on the side. Walk away. Go to sleep. Love you guys.
And remember your prizes. First place gets 100 tala
Yeah.
from Musa Rentals. Second place gets 60 tala from Musa Rentals. And third place gets 40 tala from
Yeah. What's the rentals at Lepea, guys? Go pick it up and enjoy and spend that money. Give it to your mom and dad because it doesn't belong to you. That's for sure. Right, guys?
Have a
it's
good
not
night
good
and
here.
have some scientific dreams tonight, guys.
God bless.
I will.
Yeah. Fast your foot.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Wait. Hydrogen bonds.
Oh, no. No.